A Super Constellation and a DC-7 which left Los Angeles minutes apart, flying east. In heavy thunderclouds, they disappeared from the sky. Down there in Arizona's Grand Canyon, they came to eerie rest. Search planes wing over the area where the updrafts and downdrafts catch the camera plane and make steady shots difficult to secure. The wreckage of the two planes, with a total of 128 persons aboard, is strewn across a forest of rock near the confluence of the Colorado and Little Colorado rivers. You can see the charred spots, and here and there bits of metal glinting in the sun. The two ships crashed about a mile apart. There are theories the airliners collided in flight. The turbulent winds among the rocky pinnacles of the canyon hamper removal operations, but an Air Force helicopter later gets through. The Civil Aeronautics Board will hold a public hearing on the crash, history's worst commercial aviation disaster.